Hey everyone, कैसे आप लोग? So friends, this is the second question of our tree data structure series, which is pre-order traversal. Okay. So friends, pre-order traversal में क्या होता है? We are going to first traverse the route. We are going to first print the route, then we are going to traverse to its left, and then we are going to traverse to its right recursively. ठीक है? तो route, then left, then right. ठीक. फर्स्ट रूट पहले इन्होंने रूट करा, देन इसका लेफ्ट नहीं था, तो इस वजह से दे केम ओवर हेयर. देन इसमें पहले रूट इन्होंने प्रोसेस किया, फिर उसका लेफ्ट प्रोसेस किया, दैट इज़ 3, और इसमें राइट नल है. ठीक. तो फर्स्ट लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट्स डायग्राम. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज आर सिंपल डायग्राम ऑफ द ट्री, and what will be its output? Output will be, first we are going to process this root, that is 1, तो 1 आया हमारा. Then we are going to process its left, that is 2. Then we are going to process its right. अब राइट में सबसे पहले रिकर्सिवली हमें क्या करेंगे, फिर हमें रूट मिला सबसे पहले, so we will be processing its root, that is 3. Then we will be processing its right, that is 4, and then comes our 5, that is right. Okay, so let's first write down its code, and then we are going to do the call stack. Function pre-order, it will take the root. Then once again we have to check that edge case, that if root is null, what we are going to do, we are simply going to return null. Now what we are going to do, first we are going to process the root. Okay, so friends, as I have told you, in this we have to provide the output in array format. So what we are going to do is, we are just simply going to take one response array, call this pre-order root function, and over here what we can do, response dot push response root dot val. As you can see over here, we are given this value, okay, which is our data, and the left and right pointers. Now we are going to call pre-order, this particular function, we are going to call it recursively for left and right subtree. And friends, at last we are going to return the response array. So it is accepted, let's submit it, and it is accepted. Okay, cool. Now let's understand the call stack over here. First it will be called for 1. So friends, first when it is going to be called for 1, what will happen, let us write down the algorithm over here, root, then left, then right. Okay, so first when it is called for 1, what will happen, it is going to process the 1. So what it will do, it will print 1. Okay, now what will happen, now it will be called for 2, that is the left element. So let's call it. So friends, it will be called for 2, and what will happen, once again the entire piece of code will be repeated recursively, and it will process 2 first, got it, and then a call will be made for null. So friends, what is happening over here, it first processes this root, and then these 2 calls are made for these nulls, got it. So what will happen, first it will process the root, then the left subtree, then the right subtree, and these will simply return the null. So friends, now we can look at our code, and we can say, now yes, these 3 lines of code have been executed for this 2. Now it will return back to 1, give the call back to 1, and we have processed the root, and we have processed the left subtree. Now this 1 will process its right subtree, that is 3. So friends, once again what will happen, 3 will first, it will be processing the root first, then it will go for these left and right subtree. So friends, the call for 4 will first print 4, then it will be called for null and null, which are the left subtree and right subtree. and hence the call will be returned back to 3, and now 3 will be calling for f of 5. first 5 will be printed, then the call will be made for the null, left null, then the right subtree. Hence those 3 lines of code have been executed for this 5 also, and hence it will also return to its parent caller, that was 3, and this will also return to 1, and hence our entire code has been executed. So friends, this was the call stack for this pre-order traversal, and I hope I was able to make you understand this piece of code. And friends, this is it for this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.